What's up, guys? Welcome back to my video, and today this is my fourth video on my channel. Let's get started. And today we are gonna do you laugh, you lose. So it's basically try not to laugh challenge. So yes, let's get started.
Just another day walking around.
Christmas tree.
Hey. You wanna come down here?
What is Elmo doing over there?
Elmo has five seasons of Elmo's work down here.
I'm good, thanks.
Did you wanna come down here with Elmo? Oh, it's fun down here, Georgie.
My name's not Georgie.
Just come down here and have a fun time. You're real too. Look down here.
I'm good, thanks.
Just come down here, you little.
What's he doing? Oh, he's trying to prank his girlfriend or wife. God dang that lady there. No way. Oh no, police coming.
Sorry, guys. Going through the tree.
Oh no. Not getting it.
Ruben, don't do this to me.
Okay, this is kind of turning into like try not to cry challenge because the pig is dying. Oh my god. Oh no. Chance.
You may have seen a few people test Flex Seal on a bucket.
Don't try this. Okay, don't try this.
That's a lot of damage.
Okay, so the first beginning, it was kind of funny. Like, oh yeah, baby. It was kind of funny, okay? Don't get me wrong. And then, not funny. I mean, it was starting to like get a little emotional because the pig was dying in Minecraft. Like, and stuff, whatever. So I'm gonna have to end it right now. So I hope you like this video, subscribe and like. Bye.